So you must be. You are forward. So you need to feel sexy. You need to not wait to
When you are doing that, you may be damn it.
Okay, so me I show the one in our share video no quite some woman in there. Masha forward in a man said Shatta washa na mami ahrobosi and the dosty ejim.
DJ Paco Rich.
I say, Ebusia won't free ye yembra. What's when you do one training pray? Championata, I am wonder a yoga, commander fire, oja. Yes, there is a fire on the mountain. Eject sibwa day be kakrakabi day. Sikokono do bepono na. Amana makawasa. I hire fancy YouTube and about to my friend and fancy YouTube and and come over there and the dosty way July. Send you man the dosty yeah. Oh yeah, the morning show on Daybreak Hits were Hits FM 103.9. Oh yeah, multimedia war. Oh yeah, youthful and entertainment arm of radio. In Tibasha wa joy wa adomanica local typical tree. And I join a bro for some, but the Hitz family a hybrid, or a bit of profo, a bit of tree, a bit of pigeon, youthful lifestyle. As in our Kodu radio station or do na and the dosty July wak Canadian that or yeah. The king, Shatta wale, Shatta music, Shatta wale, Chasniama, aka dancehall Don One. Na asamni na anyi de ebeka ya Shatta wale kwata krade keye event bi na dem event ni mu na on stage minyim zana ways between Shatta wale na and the dosty one team bet him there on Shatta anya papa bi adam inti on stage Shatta Jamaica na okeka nsem bi abeku Santana mpodze wabakende ojana na pa na on one respond and for a very long time yense the and the dosty so I respond but then they all had a video be free there stickers of Hitz FM botogwa and the dosty wa prana kumem wa hye oye Shatta wale aro but then yim pa so there SMD Ekawana and Aka, the Shatta movement. You know, go feel insult, they are boss, they are landlord, they are king, and go scot free that. In Twitter, if you internet, you know that this is one of the conversation or record into your then helps you the attention. We should bring it to your attention. Pardon me. Na in video na nyembo intro. So my bubble video of and the dosty or Canadian actually Shatta wale. Yente.
The Shatta wale album is doing good and you people are not talking about it.
Talk about it.
You want me to talk?
So I think that was Bulldog Oye Shatta ne former manager and I will be sending in text today. Shatta wale ne album Male is doing well, which me personally I came to review it here. Make sure baby album ne do the reggae dancehall the number one na Azanko free teen. Into Bulldog try it or by encourage Oye and the dosty the unpromote Shatta ne album. The album is doing well. Now and the dosty response or the man. Or yeah, Bulldog ni.
Talk about it.
But they're saying
an artist that stands on stage and insults my mother and talk anyhow foolishly to my mother, and you want me to what?
And so that was the reply from Andy Dosty. Andy Dosty no reply or the bayan. But me peda me ma assembly in a free and fair na justice in your picture ni you. Makafa Shatta ni video na Andy Dosty lay accusing of insulting his mother. No come nti yente say para there or shana mami ahroba.
Sometimes when they touch my mind somebody will just say, why are you talking about? Recently, I listened to radio. That's what I'm going to do sometimes. I because you the interview as I never say, attractive to kill her. So you must be, you are forward. So you need to feel sexy. You need to not wait to
When you are doing that, you may be damn it.
Okay, so me I show the one in our share video no quite some woman in there. Masha forward in a man said Shatta washana mamia robosi and the dosty ejim. But takrade for so what be our kind of belly, but all takrade okay and kobe a question a bella, which wouldn't be an insult but would be a question. Na sisiano I don't care there. SM fans and I say one show mamia robo obiso de ejima anade we Jimmy. It's a question. It's not an insult. But and the dosty so take your offense to that today. Or share shana mami aruba mum. Da ye say your video no chede or share. Or ye abeku Santana mum ne mami aruba. I'm not here to justify there. You're right and you're wrong. I'm just bringing the facts and the news to you. No one can say make a judgment. Both there SM fan, say Andy Dosty fan, say abeku Santana fan. This is the factor. Fancy YouTube, I'm easy to win him. Now a decode may decide who was right and who was wrong. And you be also question I'm really saying there. Is it mandatory for the Dosty to promote Shatta's album? Obisi yes, Obisi no. I will feel though yes, and give me the reason why you're yes. I will say feel though no. My reason why you're no. But yet say and the Dosty and somehow okay more. What interview no.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you. I'm talking about.
I'm sorry.
And even you.
I'm sorry.
Thank
I'm
you.
So sorry.
What they are? Yeah, my mommy no woman no or bobra pa and or baby thing.
Hey,
Yes.
that's that.
And that's a shade that that some time ago. New CB bed Shatta na mami wo oye accommodation issues nazi. So I think that is a low key shader and the Dosty Ottoman. In when the bulldog background and all responding, let's say mocking.
It's like a heavy punch.
Strong
I'm
one.
like some now no makano.
Heavy punch. Like
Strong one.
this
I love-
voice, if you pick and put them on beat, it be hit.
And then one no makano.
Was I just
I
rhyming?
love my mother. And nobody. Because me make a sent you be a mammy. Yeah, woman. Yet to tell me. Nobody can fool around. And yeah, so nobody. The fooling is too much in this country.
And I do.
That's your money. I bet now say na yeah, you be promoting me promoting why. Some I mean one me and ka wuni me why. I see her like that.
Okay, so and the Dosty ended the whole Ebufu seminar that me now with kwasia like that, which is a straight insult to Shatta wale. Mijina hey, inyama bebrain all ran it through my head. I can go with the school of thought today. 2 wrongs do not make a right. I can also go with the decision there. Sometimes so be your wadzena and share with displeasure, they will keep coming at you and doing that. But I'm also giving the opportunity to you as the viewer, our Russian. Come, tell me what you think. If you and the Dosty were overreact on the whole issue, and how they feel there, Shatta so quite too far. Well, may prove a fact in there. Shatta and Shana Mamia Roba, but Oshe and the Dosty now personally are over there with Jima, which I don't support it because regardless, differences are more beyond minim. There Shatta work several interviews and the Dosty on a platform and say, Sabi wake bibi mpona on your da able to a friend as a brother nine and akasa atasa. Inti both side in bet a bufuna waba no biara kekanadwen. But I want to know your viewers, subscriber now where share as some of more and feed there or it all left another right or from a fancy YouTuber. But the shame of crumbs a bit my friend DJ Pack or Rich. Chawadwen na yanko. I'll be back with another episode on this same channel. Thank you for watching.
DJ Paco Rich.